Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. We are looking at an agentic AI use case today, specifically around retail automation. This is for HCL Universal Orchestrator. So I have an AI restocking agent that is going to recommend or provide recommendations on restocking inventory. I also have an invoice rebalancing step, and then I'm going to rebalance the inventory based on inputs from this restocking agent. And finally, I'm feeding into a personalized marketing agent, which in turn is going to provide recommendations on personalized marketing campaigns based on the various segmentation of different customer groups. And finally, I'm also feeding into an omni-channel promotions marketing automation product like Unica, where we would launch multiple promotions through various channels. And finally, I'm also feeding into a store operations agent that is going to align the shift of different uh, store agents depending store operators depending on the inputs based on the footfall. So let's see this in action. I'm going to now submit this workflow. The first step is the AI restocking agent is now connected to multiple data sources. So this is taking inputs from multiple data sources. So all these agents are built in the agentic AI builder, which is a native agentic AI builder within the product. So I have the workflow now complete already. So the first step is invoking an AI restocking agent. This is the specific API that I am hitting, which is exposed from the agentic AI builder. Now, this is predicting that the number of days in which the stock would last for this particular product ID, SKU 12345, is around 3.4 days. So here there is no recommended action. The second product, SKU 67890, has um, the number of days for which the stock would last, zero point 0.8. So now the reason in this case is sales spike expected due to school holidays and current stock being under threshold. Recommended action is to reorder. The recommended quantity would be around 150. The confidence score is around 0.94. Um, Now this the date when this was generated, 18th April. The specific model version of this agent, AI inventory version 2.5, and the specific store ID for which this suggestion is given. And then we are feeding this into an inventory rebalancing step, which in turn is raising a procurement request into a particular portal. So this is again a REST API call. And then I'm calling my marketing agent. Now the personalized marketing agent is hitting this particular API exposed from the AI agentic AI builder. Now this is suggesting, and these are the insights from this particular agent. There is an expected lift of around 12% on the health conscious segment. So the recommended campaign is to bundle low sugar cereals plus almond milk. The preferred channels are email push and app push. Also, the targeted products are SKU 6789 and SKU 44556. The expected lift in this case is around 12%. The confidence score is around 0.89 for this particular insight. And likewise, there is another insight where the expected lift is around 18% for the value seekers category. Here, the recommended campaign is to buy two and get one free for the Coles brand milk. This is the targeted product ID. The preferred channels of promotion, in store display, and loyalty app. So the specific model that has triggered this insight is the AI marketing version 1.8. Now the next best action in this case is to launch a localized promo campaign by April 20th. So the seasonal demand signal in this case is high demand in breakfast category due to school holidays. So this is a specific store ID again for which this insight is generated. Finally, we are calling a marketing automation product like Unica, wherein these are the specific active channels currently: email, app push, in store display, and loyalty app. The estimated reach is around 18,450 people. Launch date 19th April. So the next action is to push the creative assets to the channels by 18th April. The segments scheduled is around 2. So the status in this case is scheduled from the marketing automation product, and the tracking is also enabled in this particular case. And finally, we are feeding into the uh, AI operations agent, where I'm calling a store operations agent. Now here, for 15th April, the peak hours is between 11 a.m. and 3 p.m. The recommended additional staff to be added in this case is around two staffs, so one cashier and one customer service executive. So there is a staffing gap that is detected on this particular date. Also for 20th April, there is a local sports final, so there is an expected traffic increase of around 25% again. So the shift adjustments here is to have an additional security personnel to start shift at 3 p.m. and end by 10 p.m., and also have an additional floor assistant managing the shift between 2 p.m. and 9 p.m. So this is generated from this particular model, StoreOps version 3.1. The average peak hour staffing gap is around 1.7. The confidence score is around 0.92. Um, Also, the days with critical undercoverage, the two dates, 15th April and 20th April. So there are totally um, three hires suggested for this particular store ID. So here, with the use of three different agentic AI agents for restocking, for personalized marketing, and also making use of another marketing product like Unica, marketing automation product like Unica, and finally feeding also into the store operations agent, we are able to predict the additional footfall and also the additional staffing that will be needed. And we are also able to predict the type of campaigns needed based on the insights from the personalized marketing agent. And we are also able to do a real time rebalancing of inventory and additionally raise procurement requests in the system based on the inputs from the AI restocking agent. So, in this way, we have the three agents working together seamlessly and providing insights in real time, so that we are able to dynamically make predictions and also make changes onto the staffing and also to the promotions, and also do inventory rebalancing in real time.